Agricultural losses from recent floods in Pakistan. A severe economic challenge, Pakistan is an agrarian country where a significant portion of the economy depends on agriculture. In recent years, climate change and extreme weather events have severely impacted the agricultural sector. The floods of 2025, which wreaked havoc in Punjab, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Sindh, and Balochistan, have caused immense damage to agricultural production. This article highlights the agricultural losses caused by these floods, their economic impacts, and potential solutions for the future. Severity of floods and agricultural damage. This year, unprecedented rainfall and the release of excess water from India into rivers triggered severe flooding across Pakistan, particularly in Punjab and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. High water levels in the Ravi, Sutlej, and Chenab rivers inundated millions of acres of agricultural land. Reports indicate that 1.5 to 2 million people were affected in Punjab alone, with over 2,300 villages submerged. In Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, districts like Buner and Swat also suffered significant crop losses. The floods impacted the following key crops: wheat. As a critical winter crop, wheat preparation was severely disrupted. Standing crops were destroyed, and many areas could not prepare land for the next planting season. Rice. In Punjab, standing rice crops, vital for exports, were completely wiped out in several regions. Maize and pulses. Maize and pulses in parts of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Punjab were submerged, threatening food security. Vegetables and fruits. The supply of vegetables to cities like Peshawar was disrupted, leading to price hikes for tomatoes, potatoes, onions, and other produce. Economic impacts of agricultural losses. The agricultural sector is the backbone of Pakistan's economy, contributing approximately 24% to GDP and employing over 40% of the workforce. The recent floods have led to several severe economic consequences. 1. Food insecurity. The destruction of wheat, rice, and other crops has raised concerns about food shortages. This could lead to increased prices and greater reliance on imports, putting pressure on foreign exchange reserves. 2. Supply chain disruptions. Floods damaged roads, bridges, and transportation networks, hindering the delivery of agricultural goods. For instance, in Peshawar, vegetable and flour prices rose by PKR 20 to 30 per kilogram. 3. Economic hardship for farmers. Farmers lost investments in crops, seeds, and fertilizers. Many, already burdened by debt, face significant challenges in recovering. 4. Impact on exports. Reduced rice and other agricultural exports could lower Pakistan's foreign exchange earning.